Alright everybody, so I was going to start another project here. I was going to start this 1998 Revell Monogram Dale Earnhardt Bass Pro Shop Monte Carlo. This was the one scheme he raced at the 1998 Winston Select. He crashed out with it, I know that. Cool car, cool Monte Carlo, awesome paint scheme, one of my favorite stores. If you watch any of my previous videos, you know that I talk all the time about how much I love the old NASCAR kits. I can't get enough of these. Built a lot of Dale Earnhardt kits. Have yet to build the Bass Pro Shop one. And this one here is really sharp. The black and the gold. Can't get better than two classic colors. So that's really cool looking. Classic kit, classic paint scheme, classic driver. Alright, nothing much there. Kind of like this box because it opens up. You know, it's like, woo! Instead of the regular, I guess it's like a shoebox design more than anything. So, I was going to build it. So that's what I was going to do. Until I opened it up. So I opened it up, and model kit in the bag. All the pieces are there. Looks like all the pieces are there. Certificate of authenticity. Come in all these limited edition monogram, Revell Monogram. Glass, real nice. Dog barking in the background again. She does that in a lot of my videos. The pre-printed tires, always a fan of these. These are cool. And instruction booklet, which tells you how to build the 1998 Monte Carlo. And I've built a million of these, so I know pretty much how to go together. So, the kit itself looks okay, but let me close this up real quick here. There we go. Close that. I can't close the box. There we go. Close the box. Doggy barking. Doggy! She's not going to hear me. Anyways. She's at the other end of the house there. So, I pulled out the decal sheet here, and I noticed that the decals are not the same color as the kit. So, there's the car. Here's the decals. So it's got the number, the striping, but it does not have any of the yellow, which is very, very odd. So why would they have the kit out without the yellow striping? Which is kind of funny because on the side of the box, it has the proper decals. It's got the yellow striping on the decal. So that's kind of weird. So I may have to go up on eBay and find the proper decals to do the proper paint scheme, because I don't know what this is. This would almost be cool to do like a white car and do it almost like a Kevin Harvick type paint scheme with the black and the red. That'd be kind of cool, like the 2001 Kevin Harvick. That'd be almost be cool looking. But I really wanted to do the gold and black one, but it's got the wrong decals, or the wrong decal production or something. I don't know. It's weird. So, I don't have a model car to build right now, so I'll catch you guys later. Maybe I'll get a chance to order another one of these, another set of decals offline. Maybe I won't. But as of right now, there will be no Dale Earnhardt Bass Pro Shop car. I'll talk to you guys later. Y'all take care.